All right, everyone. My name is John Paul. Today is November 12th, 2019, Tuesday. I want to look at the Atlas line. I want to look at the open. I'll do a couple of videos today as we move throughout the day to show everyone how the methods work in a live trading environment. Remember, before we begin, trading is risky. A disclaimer about the risks of trading. Contact your broker, ask questions. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Start slow, practice, go into a demo account, and learn how this works before trading live. All right. All right, everyone. So we have this long here at 30.94.50, and this is pretty far away from the Atlas line, but this is still a long. So I'm going to actually place a trade here to 30.94 to buy the market. And now if you look here at the ATR, it's 2 points, right there. So that means I can expect 2 points of a move to the upside based on the current conditions. And this is a very good way to analyze the market based off of price action. Now, if the market starts to reverse and go against me, there's a few things we can do. We can look at scalping to the short side as a recovery. We're going to limit our losses with a stop. The target, like I said here, would be 2 points. So it would be a sell, either a market if touched or a sell limit. So I'll do a market if touched. 30.95 plus 2 points would be 30.97. And that's the idea, to enter long, to get out at 1 times the ATR, and to have a stop that's typically never more than double that ATR. You don't want to risk 10 points on a trade like this, but you also don't want to have a stop that's so small that it will knock you out of the trade just on random movement. I'm also going to add here the at the open. Just put this out of the way here. And I want to see what the at the open, day trade to win at the open method is doing right there. And an ATO long at 30.93.75. So that's another opportunity to go long here at 30.93.75. I have my news here listed right here. It tells me the news indicators included with some of the software I offer, especially the mentorship. So everything is indicating long. The ATO is long. The Atlas line is long. I'm sure that there's going to be some scalping. Let me just take a look at some scalping using the trade scalper method. This is the trade scalper method here. And let me just make this a little bit more manageable. And so you're going to see signals to go long or even short on the scalper. Remember, it's just a small profit target, 2 or 3 ticks, but it's good when everything is indicating long, because we want to see everything long. We don't want to see one thing indicating buy and another indicator or method indicating sell. We want to try to put everything in the long or in the short category. The other thing I want to mention is that we have a new mentorship class starting November 14th, which is Thursday. If you'd like to join, we still have room available. Leave a deposit, secure your seat, and you're ready to go. It includes all the software, including the news indicator, as well as all of the Atlas line, ATO2, Trade Scalper, the roadmap, all of the methods and programs in one reduced rate. Let's see if this trade allows us to get the 2 points and be done here for this trade early in the morning, and then see what else occurs as we go throughout the day. Remember, it's not about how many trades you take, it's the quality of the trade. So less trading, better and higher quality always works in your favor. There's a video that I put out. Some of you are asking here a couple of questions. There's a video I put out that indicates that the market would move up or move higher, and the reason for that. And if you didn't watch that video, it was based off of the January effect. I do recommend that you review that video, because we are going to have at least 1 or 2 more opportunities to go long based off of that method. I'll put a link in the description so you can understand what the January effect is all about. Because if the market does retrace or pull back, and then as we add into the end of the year, another opportunity to go long. But based on these rules, the rules have to be as clear as possible. We're not trying to jump in just because it looks like, but I'll review that video and I'll do another video on that shortly, just so you understand what that January effect is all about. I want to see this target hit here at 2 points. If you're trading one contract, two contracts, three contracts, the rules are the same. But I recommend everyone starting off with just one contract. It can even be a micro contract just to get your feet wet as you begin to trade. I see the Atlas line here. All right, finished. Got the 2 points. The market may move higher. We may have a retracement or a pullback and maybe another opportunity to go long. Atlas line does offer pullback and strength trades. Let's take a look at yesterday.